Am I late for the meeting? Am I doing this correctly? Am I invited to the party? Am I the one you're looking for? Am I included in the group? Am I responsible for this task? Am I allowed to enter? Am I going the right way? Am I supposed to help anything? Am I making sense? Are you ready to begin? Are you coming with us? Are you feeling all right? Are you interested in the job? Are you available for a meeting? Are you enjoying the party? Are you familiar with this concept? Are you done with your homework? Are you going to the movies? Are you satisfied with the results? Is he the new manager? Is he coming to the party? Is he a good singer? Is he aware of the situation? Is he responsible for the project? Is he taller than you? Is he staying at the hotel? Is he playing in the match? Is he waiting for someone? Is he happy with his decision? Is she your sister? Is she busy right now? Is she studying medicine? Is she aware of the price? Is she involved in the project? Is she wearing a blue dress? Is she coming to the event? Is she meeting us later? Is she a good cook? Is she satisfied with her performance? Is it raining outside? Is it getting late? Is it your favorite movie? Is it difficult to solve? Is it necessary to attend the consultation? Is it working properly? Is it worth the price? Is it safe to swim here? Is it the correct answer? Is it a good idea? Are we on the right way? Are we lost? Are we allowed to enter? Are we meeting at 7 p.m.? Are we going the right way? Are we invited to the party? Are we ready to begin? Are we working as a team? Are we having dinner together? Are we staying at the same hotel? Are you all joining us for lunch? Are you all coming to the concert? Are you interested in the house? Are you two available tomorrow? Are you two ready for the presentation? Are you all attending the conference? Are you two playing? Are you all satisfied with the outcome? Are you all happy with the news? Are you all working on the project? Are they siblings? Are they coming to the barbecue? Are they traveling together? Are they aware of the rules? Are they involved in the project? Are they wearing uniforms? Are they staying at the hotel? Are they ready for the competition? Are they waiting for the bus? Are they happy with the result?